As a trader, you already know how this goes. You have a good week, maybe two. Then you start to think, okay, maybe I finally got it. Then one afternoon undoes all of it, and you're right back where you started. So then you step away for a while. You come back, do well again. Then it plunges once more. And somewhere in that loop, you've probably said the same thing most people never admit out loud. I should not have this much of a headache to see profits with trading. So let me say the part nobody tells you. The problem was never that you don't know enough. You can look at a chart. You usually know the right move to take. The problem is what happens in the moment, the hesitation, the revenge trade after a loss, moving a stop loss level because you're sure that it's the right move to make this time. It ends up with you giving back 3 good weeks in 1 bad hour. Now, that's not a knowledge gap. That's being a human being asked to behave like a machine at the exact moment it's hardest to do so. And if you've got a job, a family, you go to school, it's even worse because you're so tired before you even sit down. You go to stare at a screen, wait for the setup, step away for a minute or two, and then you miss it. Nobody can win like that forever. Now, you've probably already landed on the answer yourself. You need to take the emotion out. Let something discipline trade the plan for you. That's the right instinct to have. But here's the part that's keeping you from pulling the trigger. You've been burned. You've seen the bots that promise the world, but empty an account in a week. Maybe one of them already took your money. So you're right to be skeptical. And I want to address that right now instead of talking around it. So here's what 1P algorithms is not. It is not a black box that promises to win every trade. It's not a get rich quick button. And we never touch your money. It stays in your brokerage account in your name with you holding the keys every time. So what it does do is simple. It runs a tested set of rules on your account the same way every time without the fear, greed, and especially without the revenge trades. The downside is capped before any trade fires off, and it asks only for about 5 minutes of your time every day. That's the whole idea. It takes you out of the equation at the one moment you've never been able to control. So the plan actually gets followed. Picture your own version of that. You wake up, check your phone, and the account already moved overnight, disciplined with rules followed exactly as designed. No staring at a screen before work, no giving back a good week of trading, no deciding in the moment between trading well and having a life. Just something steady running in the background while you live your life. And it's genuinely simple to run. You connect your account once, we walk you through it, and after that, it's one button each morning. People who've never touched this kind of software are up and running in the same week. So here's the only question left. You've already spent the money and the time learning this the hard way. Do you keep being the one variable you can't control, or do you finally hand that part off? Well, if you're ready to find out whether this fits, here's your next step. Click the link below and book your call. It's short. Someone looks at where you are, what you've tried, and what you've got to work with, and tells you straight whether it makes sense for you. And if it doesn't, they'll say so. No pressure, no pitch to sit through. So book your call now while there's still room on our calendar.